Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Move any liners, lines, or power harnesses from the work area. Step 3. Begin removing the factory mount. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Hold the mount up to the frame and reinstall your factory bushing and bolt to obtain proper alignment and mark off its location or tack weld it into place. Confirm the mount's alignment and uninstall the bolt and bushing before fully welding it into place. Weld the part to the frame along all edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor. To help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation, we recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.